So for you to achieve this very beautiful design, the first thing you need to do is to get your measurement from your center front to your center back, the area where you want to attach this flare to. Once you get that measurement, then you keep it aside, then trace it on your pattern paper and make it a little bit curvy. Then once you make it a little bit curvy over here, then the next thing you are going to do is to just draft out the pattern you want your flare, how you want your flare, okay? So this is it. I've gone ahead to draft out the pattern that I want, and I went ahead to cut lining and the main fabric. Then on the lining, I don't know if you can see, we added wording to it, or you can add color stay to make it strong a bit. Then on this end we added ridgeline boning so that it will give it a bit of strength. I don't know if you can see the patterns of the boning. Okay, so once you're done with that, you go ahead and turn to reveal the right side. Okay, just go ahead and stitch. Then once you're done, you take it to your fabric, your already sewn fabric. All right, so once you're done turning this and fixing the boning and all that, the next thing you're going to do is to attach it to your fabric. So you determine how you want it to be on your fabric. The secret to this design is that when you bend your flare inward, the more the shape comes out. So I'll be bending this inward, like to form a very nice curve, and also at the back. So once I'm done, I'm going to use my pin and secure it. Then after securing it, I'll go ahead and use a curving needle to tack it all the way to the back. So if you find this interesting, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Alright, so after attaching the flare to the sides, this is what we, came up with. And it's so neat. I used invisible tacking because you won't even see where I tacked. So let me know what you think about this in the comment section.